Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish Gupta. I'm a medical oncologist. Thank you so much for having me today to give a session on cancer cognizance. I'm extremely impressed by the quality of your students and your nursing staff, especially. In the session that I had today, talking about cancer, talking about various ways to prevent cancer, what tools we have in our toolbox to cure cancer, asking a lot of questions to your students, they were almost spot on everything. And I was amazed. I give lectures at various places, but the level of intelligence and the level of engagement that we had from the students was very, very impressive. I think they're certainly ready to go out into the real world. Typically in lectures like this, I see a lot of people not paying attention, but they were engaged, they were active. So really big hats off to all of their professors and to this institution for promoting this type of culture with these types of guest lectures. So I also had the opportunity to see the simulation lab, and I can tell you that having been born and brought up in the US and having gone to do my MD and DM there as well, I have not seen such a lab, honestly. I've seen much smaller places, but really walking into that space feels like you're in a completely different universe. And the way that they have kept it, the amount of technology they have, the amount of investment, and the people that are there, extremely passionate about what they do. And I think you're making a huge, huge impact on the learning of your students today and also those all across India who come and visit this lab. As I said, very impressed by everything that I saw here today. So really keep doing what you're doing, and I think your students will be ready to perform in the real world in no time. Thank you so much for having me.